Hello all, welcome to my channel SZ Academy. Today we are gonna learn about not operator. So let's get started. And our or statement allow us to test whether condition A and B are either both true or if one or other is true. But what if we want to test if a condition is not true? In that case, we have a tool called the not statement or using the not equal to operator, which you can see in the screen as a means of the accomplishing that. So here is an example where we want to redefine the conditions field based just on the math marks which are in the column C. One way to do it would be to use the not statement and say if C2, which is in the column C, C2 is less than or equal to 7, then the value of 2 is pass and the value of false is fail. Again, from readability standpoint, it feels backward. That just the way crazy Excel operates. So you just got to get used to it. No worries for that. Yeah. So let's jump into the Excel, and I'm going to use a not equal to operator here to accomplish the same thing. And again, I'm going to use the math marks field, which is in the column C, as a variable. So I'm just going to type equals in the D column. Then if uh, then open up the parenthesis, then not, again open up the parenthesis. So if here we need to put and to use the math marks field again C2, which is less than or equal to 7. As we can see, the math mark, if the less than are 7, the user will be fail, sorry, the student will be fail, and if it is greater than 7, he will be pass. So in this case we are using C2 less than or equal to 7 because we are using the not operator behind that. So closing of the parenthesis, comma. So if now the my next is the value of 2 is going to be pass, which is in quotes as it is a string, otherwise the condition will be fail. So it is also in the quotes. Then one more parenthesis to close it off and hit the enter button. There you go. So now what I'm going to do is just apply this formula to the down to my all the values, and here you go. You may see number of pass students and some fail students because this is below 7 so that's why it's fail. The below 7, that's why it's fail. More than 7, they are pass, you can see here. So here in this case C2 is less than or equal to 7. In earlier operators which we are using and or operators, we put greater than or equal to 7 because we want that answer to be more than 7 marks are passed and less than 7 are fail. Just in the last lecture you may see the I button over the I button where you can see that video as well. So there you go, you can see the not operator by using the same thing, and you will get the same result as well by using the not operator. So thank you all for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to SZ Academy. For other free courses, please mention in the comment box to create those courses for you. And thank you.